Hello everyone. In the previous session, we discussed about the function and sub procedure, right? And today we will discuss about the difference between the sub procedure and the function procedure. We know that VB provides two type of procedures. One is a sub procedure and second is a function procedure, right? And here there is a code which we have already discussed in the previous session, and we are just finding the square root of the entered number using the function, and this function returns the value, and we print that value to the label, right? So here we used the sub procedure and the function procedure. So what is the difference between the sub procedure and the function procedure? So let's understand it. So here we have a difference between the procedure and the sub procedure. The very first difference is actually we cannot say exactly a difference, but yeah, similarly, like sub procedure is a procedure. Yes, it's a procedure, and yes, it performs some specific action or a task. That is the sub procedure. Then what is function? Similar way, function procedure also perform some specific action, but there is a difference. And what is the difference? That function procedure returns some value. It returns some value, while sub procedure cannot return any value, and returns value, and where it will return? To the point from which it was called. So see, here we call the function from this location, right? And when it will return the value, that return will come over here only. So if we have entered 81 in the text box, so it means what? That here we will have 81. After performing the operation on 81, it will return 9, right? And this 9 will come over here at this position, and this 9 will be assigned to the label. So we are talking about the difference. So yes, function, sub procedure and function both perform some operation, but function returns some value, while sub procedure never returns any value. This is the first difference. Then the second difference we have, it's about the syntax. The syntax of the sub procedure is something like this. First you need to write the private, then sub, then name of that particular procedure, then some statements, and write down end function, right? It's simple. Well, when we talk about the function, syntax of the function, of course you need to write some modifier like a private, public, or the protected. Then function is a keyword, and then the name of the function. Also in the brackets you can pass the parameters, right? And then you can write your actions, your statements, and then you need to write the end function, right? So, and yes, return statement must be there in the function, because your function must return something, some value. So this is the second difference, and finally we have the example of the procedure and sub procedure. So form load is a procedure, sub procedure, while val or the format percentage, these are the functions. User defined function, we can see for user defined function. So it's about the difference between the sub procedure and the function procedure. In this example you can see that here we have a sub procedure. Button click is a sub procedure, while square root is a function procedure, right? So it's easy, right? It's all about the difference between the sub procedure and the function procedure. So that's it for today.